Good morning, students. This is Professor Eknath Ahiri from Department of Pharmaceutics, Divine College of Pharmacy, Satana. In last session, we we discussed about pharmaceutical factors affecting on absorption. In this session, we will discuss about uh, formulation factors affecting on absorption. Among them, some of already discussed in last session. Remaining will be discussed in today's session. Okay, so we will start today from pharmaceutical ingredient or the excipients. More the number of excipients in dosage form, more complex it is and greater the potential for absorption and viability problems. Changing an excipient from calcium sulfate to lactose and increasing the uh, proportion of magnesium silicate increases the activity of oral phenytoin. If we discuss in case of by using any example like a phenytoin, so we can say that uh, we will increase by changing one excipient instead of other, and we will increase the absorption of particular drug. Systemic availability of thiamine and riboflavin is reduced by the presence of Fuller's earth. Absorption of tetracycline from capsule is reduced by calcium phosphate due to complexation. Most of this type of ingredients or interactions were reported some time ago and are unlikely to occur in the current environment of rigorous testing of new dosage forms and formulations. So another factor is vehicle. Under the pharmaceutical excipients, the rate of absorption is depends on its miscibility, which is the biological fluid which is present in the uh, absorption environment. Miscible vehicle, it may be aqueous or water. Then rapid absorption will be there if water is there or the absorption media is there. For example, propylene glycol. Immiscible vehicle absorption depends on its partitioning from oil phase to aqueous body fluid. Next factor is diluents. Hydrophilic diluents from forms the hydrophilic coat around hydrophobic drug particles, thus promotes dissolution and absorption of poorly soluble hydrophobic drugs. Next factor is binder and granulating agent. The hydrophilic binders imparts hydrophilic properties to granules surface, better the dissolution profile of poorly wettable drugs, for example starch, gelatin, PVP. By using of these excipients, we can improve the dissolution rate. More amount of if more amount of binder is there, then it will increase the hardness of tablet, and uh, the final conclusion is decrease in the dissolution and disintegration rate. Therefore, we should decrease the rate of binder for the optimum of dissolution rate and disintegration rate. Next factor is disintegrants, mostly hydrophilic in nature. Okay, so dis- disintegrants are mostly present in hydrophilic in nature. Decreases in amount of disintegrant, it should be significantly lowers the viability. So if we will decrease the amount of disintegrant, so it directly plays a role in case of the uh, decreased viability. Okay. Next factor is lubricant, commonly hydrophilic in nature. Okay, so lubricant uh, mostly available or observed in hydrophobic in nature, therefore inhibits the penetration of water into tablet and thus dissolution and disintegration lowers. The suspending agents or the viscosity agent, also called as viscosity modifiers, stabilize the solid drug particles and